Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for supporting the big up on yourself. I'm gonna come and chat real quick. So people, I was passing by rocking with Miss Ellis place and I came across a caption saying Ghetto girl cussing Miss Ellis about Shana and Karen question. So you know me have to catch my ears and listen for hear what I go on, cause we love people business. We not business with people business, but we love people business. So, Get a Girl was talking about the young lady, young lady, the baby mother, that Miss Ellis is looking after. She reached out to him because she look help. I say, oh, she look help and Miss Ellis a help her, but she look help for Ghetto Girl and she want a book list and something there. Yeah. But then some carry go bring come business people. Carry go bring come. Is it carry go bring come? Carry go bring come. She tell Ghetto Girl say Miss Ellis say if he come back at the yard, more or less she gonna put out she have to go find place put Sean and Karen. Yeah. So me couldn't understand why Miss Ellis would say such thing. Because if Sean and Karen is working with Ghetto Girl, yeah, why Miss Ellis would have said that? Me not understand. So me I say, but Ghetto Girl should I reach out to Miss Ellis and hear Miss Ellis side of the story, because you don't know, maybe the young girl make up the story. Who knows? But Sean and Karen say go so. Yeah, the lovely Sean that normally stick up for Miss Ellis, them stand up. Karen stand up there with her arm full, and so I mean I say, yeah. So get a girl say it's not a problem. You can't find place put them. Yeah. So people, me say this don't look good. But me not question it from the other day when some people are asking why Miss Ellis still have video them, still making content of them when she says she done with them, and then them live the yard where them living and Miss Ellis was there with plumber and people are fix roof and somebody was fixing the roof and the leaking toilet and so on. People were asking questions, but me not say maybe Miss Ellis not done with them really. Them probably under management. Somebody manage them, but maybe she's part of it. You don't know. That's what I was saying to myself. They'll say, maybe Miss Ellis not done with them, but Miss Ellis was saying she go there when them not there. She don't want to see them. And and she was going on, but some people say I Miss Ellis place, so she's maintaining it. She have to maintain it because a place is not run down, so that's why she went and paint it up and so on. But anyway, Karen, Ghetto Girl confirmed something Karen and Sean was saying. So the girl was stopping. The baby mother was stopping there, sleeping on the floor. And then Karen said the three of them sleep on the bed and the little boy sleep on the floor. But then the girl was staying with her boyfriend, which lives, I believe it's about a stone throw away from there. So, but she and this guy don't get on. Them always arguing, fighting. So when Miss Ellis was down there, the guy was saying she got a police station because there was some argument and she draw scissors. So I don't understand it. The little boy is not enough for him, but the belly a for him. Yeah, them say the belly a for him. Get a girl and say I could have one Rasta man. Them I say because it sound like the girl. Them say the girl have white liver. She love, she love the dicky. So Anyway, people, the Ghetto, the one name Trauma now joining with Ghetto Girl, go upon the live and I talk. Cause I feel say Trauma carry some feelings for Miss Ellis, because some guy what I'm saying I go manage. Some less fortunate guy what I'm saying I manage. Miss Ellis give the guy $15,000, and I'm thinking, well, help with some business. So I think Trauma in our feelings about that. So, anybody I go say negative, him now go debulk it, him I go agree. So get a girl, I say, I know everything him put out about Sean and Karen. He couldn't understand why Sean and Karen was stressed out. But I true the girl I stayed there. Karen say her blood pressure up at 168. And Shauna say in can do man and woman business. Cause that's all Shauna bothered about is in man and woman business. And when them have to do them man and woman business, the girl have to take a walk so they can do the man and woman business, because they know what Karen said she don't want to be doing that in front of the little boy. Yeah, so that's what Karen was saying, was stressing her out. But then she said the girl leave now and gone back to the man. But me I say if the man if they're not getting on, she should go back home or find somewhere to go. She must have family, because it's not healthy for this little boy to be seen, DV going on. Yeah. So really, she shouldn't really be staying there. So, and I advise Miss Ellis to find somewhere else to put her and tell her to go home. But maybe she don't want to go home too. Maybe she don't want to go home. But from what Miss Ellis said a few weeks ago, that she have family and them sort of people, they really, if they have family, she shouldn't be, she's not going to have a long term on the program. The girl I make her say Miss Ellis not like her because she can't put camera upon her like she do with Sean and Karen. And so me hear it. I hear say allegedly. Yeah. So she's supposed to have said that. I don't know if she really said it, but so one piece of passa a go on, and I don't understand why Ghetto Girl never reach out and check, because I saw with some of these people that's not 100, sometimes they make up stories. So but Miss Ellis need to know, say, if she want to be a part of Sean and Karen, it not go work. You have to make them go them own ways. Yeah, make them go them way and cut ties. Because I don't understand it, really. If somebody managing them, why you just leave them and make them manage them and find a place to put them? It kind of don't make sense. Because it seems like Sean and Karen them happy and they want to do them one thing. They don't want Miss Ellis in the picture. That's what I get from it. They don't want Miss Ellis in the picture. Especially Karen look like so she want to do her own thing. She want to live her life. She don't want nobody to tell her nothing. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I get from it. Seeing her on TikTok, she seems okay to me. She don't really seem as if she's sad. Yeah, she happy with her freedom. Yeah, and somebody was asking her the other day, about her manager. 1 minute she said I flex, and then next minute she said a Ghetto Girl. Yeah, yeah. So Karen don't know her manager, but she say her money are going to her account. So that's all them care about, money. But Ghetto Girl say she has start up some business for them, and somebody in the comment section say, oh, them fi do business when they don't know money, change. So somebody asked Sean about how much money you that if you send water, $1,000 each. How much change that give if somebody give you no $100 each? How much change it give if somebody gave you $1,000? And Sean get it right. He look like him can do him maths. But we don't know about Karen, but he look like he can add up and take away. So me I say, but they love money, so they should know if it add up and take away. But yeah, but me don't know people. I just feel say this young lady stir up trouble, and then she gone back to her boyfriend, and then two again. You soon here she gone back to Miss Ellis, and I saw the ringer rose is gonna go on. Yeah, because it's like they're very much unstable. They don't know what they want. Yes, but Miss Ellis needs to be careful of these people. Yeah, because 1 minute them not have nowhere to live, and then what the next minute, and then because there's DV involved, you have to be so careful. Yeah, because me not like that when me hear about scissors and all and something it don't sound good. Yeah, but she appears very unhappy to me. Very unhappy. Yeah, but yeah, so I don't know, but she was really sleeping on Sean and Karen floor, according to Ghetto girl. She was on the bed and little boy on the floor. That's what Sean and Karen stated, that she was there. Yeah, but I don't know. Miss Ellis always seems to pick up trouble, but this a double trouble. Yeah, and that's all I'm gonna say. I don't talk.